Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start by confirming essentials, Xcode installed, and your Apple ID signed into Xcode preferences. Once done, create or verify a GitHub account and choose SSH or a personal access token for secure auth. Now open your project in Xcode and initialize the local Git repository via source control. Create an initial commit. This gets you into version control immediately, so you can push to GitHub in the next steps without backtracking. Next, connect your local repo to GitHub by adding a remote named origin. Prefer SSH for convenience, or use HTTPS with your token. Once connected, stage and commit meaningful changes from Xcode's source control pane. Make one commit per logical change. Then push. Choose source control, push, and select the branch to upload. Make sure to publish the branch if it's new. After pushing, verify the repository on GitHub so you know the remote now mirrors your local work. Finalize by adopting a branch workflow. Create feature branches in Xcode to keep changes isolated, then merge back to main when ready. Make it a habit to pull or fetch and merge before starting new work so you avoid conflicts. If you hit problems, authentication errors, or push rejections, check your SSH key is added to GitHub, or regenerate and use a personal access token for HTTPS. If merges conflict, resolve in Xcode's conflict editor, then commit and push to complete the sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.